Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we'll look into the chapter called Rational Numbers. The given question is find the multiplicative inverse of the following, and the given number is -5/8 into -3/7. So let us see how we can find out the multiplicative inverse of the given number. Here the question is asking us to find the multiplicative inverse of, here the question is asking us to find the multiplicative inverse of -5/8 into -3/7. This is what being given, and the question is asking us to find out the multiplicative inverse of -5/8 into -3/7. So guys, before moving ahead and before trying to find out the multiplicative inverse, let us try to understand what does it mean by multiplicative inverse. If you look here onto the screen, I have posted here the definition of multiplicative inverse. The definition of multiplicative inverse says that multiplicative inverse is a rational number which when multiplied to the given rational number we get 1. So guys, this definition is very simple and very straightforward. So for example, if we have a rational number as 7/8, if the given rational number is 7/8. Now if we look here again into the definition says that multiplicative inverse is a rational number which when multiplied to the given rational number. So this is the given rational number, and what should we multiply to the given rational number so that we can get 1? The answer is very simple and very straightforward. If we multiply 8/7 to 7/8, then we will get 1. How? 8 7 8s are 56 upon 8 7s are 56. So 56/56 is 1. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Now after understanding this, let us now move ahead and try to find out the multiplicative inverse of the given numbers. Now we need to find out the multiplicative inverse. We need to find out the multiplicative inverse of -5/8 into -3/7. Now let us first of all multiply this. Once we multiply this, then we will get a single rational number, and from that single rational number definitely we can find out the multiplicative inverse. So -5 into -3 is +15 upon 8 7s are 56. So what we got? We got 15/56. Now what should I multiply to this 15/56 so that I can get 1? What should I multiply to this 15/56 so that I will get 1? Now again the answer is very simple and very straightforward. Just I need to take the reciprocal of 15/56, that is 56/15. That is equal to, I can write 840. If we multiply 15 into 56, we will get 840, or 56 into 15, same 840. Now 840/840 is equal to 1. It cancels out and we get 1. So guys, we can now say that easily, the multiplicative inverse of -5/8 into -3/7, which is 15/56, is 56/15. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. So we can write our answer as, hence the multiplicative inverse of the given multiplication is 56/15. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubt, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.